Judith, kera maona mambie kera tugukwana boigo. You are running for office.
Yes.
Kwa ndoli kuligie kirugo.
Kabisa.
But yabasae basoira abando sobora iboro kiriye embwembe. Bakororeka very vibrant, lakini bago ikaranse se kirugo embweli embe bacha. And they will be the same people okonyora ba protect alias basoire space inji.
To me personally, ndatebe kerona analyze abasaba bachire batore chimbe baibere influenced nabagaka bagotire
system
baenda baba tebinga aye I know mwana moketi gatokorokereri these guys bachire bamakanda batumoka beba personally nje ngotebega there is no way umontonya gweta kore miaka yao ganya abantu b'imiaka yao you rhyme with them inje nanje nachire no bora yoboye ekerona nachire no bora yoboye aye wende ngotebi where we are because your generation during those times ebarenge go to bully our generation we are not going to bully generation yegocha
mwaka bullied nani mukayo kiregento mugairwe school mukabuguli chikali
ebare go to gambera because ekero kurigere riboni go Omorai bwense kera chorete igatebete nga evijana na bya uchikobeka 3 quarters ekero kurigere rie cabinet yaye evijana mbira ngabiro
iboli ya chakiro mwacho
tika koranga tabi ekero kurigere rigo that means Omorai yoyo atong'ainete wana igatuachire the new ideas togo chikomote bi enough is enough. That is why ekero kurigere our current parliament ekero kurigi I'm sure that the current parliament in understand it article 127 and article 229 they are there to oversight to oversight ekero baro to oversight bono bama kwenda banga inu nechi basha beba as new ideas coming 2027 they are not going to be etoko go face to enough is enough.